Good evening. This is Mike Edington, Group 6 Gatsby. And now for the new feature demo. So just to preview, what I did was I restyled the search results screen and then also the multiple results screen, which I'll show you here in a second. And basically what I did there was I just made it uniform with the rest of the app, those two screens, and then basically made it presentable. Okay, so I just signed in. Now I'm gonna look up an Apple Watch. Okay. So you can see here on the search results screen, we got the same colors as the login screen, along with a nice, better looking black background for this flat list here. So if I press on this one, it's going to take me to the results screen. And in the results screen, we got a new title, basically. I just made it scrollable because there was a lot of words there. Along with a bigger image, more popping out at you a little bit. Formatted this right here where we could put the text right underneath the image, along with two icons. The saved item icon, which works, the map item button, or the map button, which is still working on in our map branch. So we're still working on that. Got this description modal here. Along with the retailers who sell this watch. So I think we can go to Walmart real quick. There we go. Okay, and you can see that directs us to the Walmart site. Wait for it. Okay, see, it's the same one. Now let's go back to Expo. Also on this screen, we have another back button that goes to the multiple results screen. So there we go. Let's go back into the screen. Let's click on that saved items, which, the save items looks a little rough right now. It's actually what I plan to do for the next sprint, but it navigates you there. So that is the new feature. Now let's do a GitHub check-in. Okay, so for GitHub check-in, you can see this would be the multiple results screen, which I styled up. Reusable header and footer for any screen, such as the map screen, which basically I'm hitting at. That's what I'm going to do next, along with the saved items screen. Synchronized color screen, and then reformatted multiple results. Not much explaining to do here, just a lot of styling. Okay, and then we can go to the results screen. Pretty much the same thing. I had a lot of fun with the scroll view and just putting everything where it needs to be, where it doesn't look all jumbled, as we had on the last screen. I wish I had a picture of how the last screen looked. Okay, then let's go to the team Gantt. For the next sprint, I didn't see that we had to put our next sprint features. Yep. So for sprint 7, you can see that I had the multiple results screen, put in about 6 hours in that, and then I also did the results screen. For sprint 8, they want me to do some more app styling. So my idea for this next sprint is I want to put in a carousel of pictures for the multiple results screen. I'm thinking about using cover flow. So instead of this going straight up and down, I want this to be horizontal and the pictures to be staggered behind each other, where I could scroll and it would animate and go to the next card. Yep, and I think that's it. Thank you. Until sprint.